The overall goal of this procedure is to assess modulation of ongoing effects of transcranial alternated current stimulation by means of single-pulse transcranial magnetic pulse stimulation in a novel online combined approach.
Transcranial electrical stimulation is a neuromodulatory technique that affects neuronal states through different current waveforms. It is commonly used in neuroscience to investigate brain motor and cognitive functions. The most used approaches are based on direct current stimulation, random noise, and alternating current stimulation, which are able to induce changes in neuron activity, both inside and outside the neurons, causing alteration of resting membrane potential and consequently modifying neuronal synaptic efficiency. tACS allow to deliver sinusoidal external oscillatory potential in a specific frequency range by inducing the so-called entrainment effect on the endogenous oscillatory activity. Here we are introducing a novel method which combines tACS and single-pulse CMS during ongoing stimulation of the primary motor cortex. The method allows us to test online alternating current stimulation effects on primary motor cortex by means of single-pulse TMS-induced motor evoked potential.
We are going to show an entire set of equipment needed to run an online combined tACS-TMS protocol by stimulation of the primary motor cortex. The list of equipment includes an electrical stimulation device which can generate electrical alternated current, for example brainstem, connected via two surface saline sac sponge electrodes, size 5 to 7 centimeters.